Hello teacher, final assignment video presentation. My autobiography. My name is Andre Felipe Ramos Sarmiento. I'm 18 years old. I live in Pueblo Nuevo, Córdoba. I was born in Sincelejo, Sucre. I finished my studies in Sincelejo. I studied engineering, civil engineering and the Bolivarian Potifan University. I got 5 semesters. I was with my parents and my light sister. In vacation, in like to go Medellin and Sincelejo. Or if no was that my parents tied to any city. I like to meet many friends. I also like to go to beach a lot to enjoy the sun. Sea and sun believe in God. I like the soccer in my free time. I like to go war or watch movies or series. And this will be a big about me. Predators. First, we will talk about the animals in danger of extinction, where there are several, such as the polar bear, mountain gorilla, wild rhinoceros, panda bears, common chimpanzee. To avoid alike hunting of these animals and carry out the protection and these animals. Deforestation of forests delimits, protects areas and natural reserve, uh, embittered the natural reserve and above the contamination of natural resources. Now we will talk about the vulture population. That's the secret in India. By 97% in the last decade, but the government of this country continues without preventing the drug that cause their extermination are measured, demanded by environmental groups. The main cause of this drastic disappearance in the use in the livestock on the vegetarian do diclofenac, an anti-inflammatory and analgesic that is also used in humans to treat conditions such as arthritis. According to the government itself, this may cause kidney failure in vultures when they eat the cause of cattle or domestic animals that have been treated with this product, which is marketed as a generic in India. The Indian government announced more than a year ago that its 6 month is would approve a regulation to ban the use of diclofenac in animals. Something that has not yet been carried out. However, given the seriousness of the situation, some regional executives, such as that of Madhya Pradesh, had gone ahead of the central executive and had decided to prohibit the use of this medicine in the terror. And that about the importance of saving vultures, where it said that these animals must be protected and that governments had to do something to harm these animals so that they are no longer in danger of extinction. Family connection. My family will start with my grandparents on my father's side, who is my grandmother Sonilda Hernandez Rodriguez, and they call her Chávez. She was born in Pueblo Nuevo, Córdoba. She is 64 years old. and has 6 children, 3 men and 3 women. She currently lives in Sincelejo but works in Medellin. She is separated from my grandfather who is called Segundo Ramos Luna, is 85 years old, lives in Buenavista, Córdoba, has 12 children and had only 3 with my grandmother. I will tell about my grandmother in will tell about my grandparents. On my mother's side, this is my grandmother was nine is Beatriz Romero. Still 3 years old in Lights, Pueblo Nuevo, Córdoba on farm, and is separated from my grandfather. My grandfather is called Roberto Sarmiento. He is 7 years old and lives in Chinu, Córdoba. And with my grandmother, they had 3 daughters, but one unfortunately passed away. We will tell about my uncle. On the father's side, there are 5 men who are 9 is Cristobal Ramos. He has 3 children. He lives in Sincelejo and works in a company. Grimaldi Ramos lives in Medellin and has no children and is not currently working. My aunt are called Isela Ramos, live in Sincelejo and has uh, 2 children and is house with. I am Sadie Hernandez lives in Sincelejo. She has only one daughter, and her occupation is a public account. And lastly is Marta Ramos lives in Medellin and has 2 daughters. Mount in only had my aunt Joana Sarmiento with a light tell about my cousin. Uh, on the part of my aunt Joanna, I like Javier Calle, who lives in Medellin. He is 12 years old and studies at school. And Milet Cáceres, who also she lives in Medellin. She is 7 years old and studies at school. On my own Isela, I have Maria Duque, who is uh, uh, 17 years old, lives in Cincelejo and studying medicine in Monterrey. And Edel Pacheco to 4 years old, lives in Cincelejo and is doing and course as watchman. On the part of my own study, I have Sara Salas, who lives in Cincelejo. She is uh, fighting and is in 10th grade at school. And my aunt Marta, I had Mara Palacio, who lives in Medellin and works in Facol. And my cousin Isabela, who is 14 years and lives in Medellin and is the college and school. For my uncle is only Cristobal, who is Daniel Ramos, who lives in Cincelejo and is working. My cousin Danilo Ramos lives in Cincelejo, has a daughter, um, and also works. And lives Daniela Ramos, who lives in Cincelejo, has daughter and works as teacher. Well, finally, there are my parents and my late sister who in Pueblo Nuevo, Córdoba. My father's name is Ricardo Ramos. He is 43 years old and his occupation is a teacher. And my mother, who is called Merle Sarmiento, is 42 years old and his occupation is a teacher. And my late sister, who is 1 year old and is ready and kindergarten and tears will be all. Global story. In this we will talk about the most popular books in the within the Bible. Harry Potter, the Light Prince, mm, the Lord of the King Rings. In the books we see that they are well canon. Book in the world we talk about the Bible, which is a very important that tells us about the truth of life that was left by God. Also, Harry Potter, which is a book that is a series or fantastic novel written by the writing author John Carl Rowling, in which he adventures of the young apprentice of magic and sorcery Harry Potter and his friends Hermione Granger and Ron Weasley during their years at Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. The plot centered on the very Harry Potter and the Evil Wizard, Lord Voldemort, who murdered Harry parent in his quest to conquer the magical world and both is in Light Princess. This book that deals with the story of a light princess who departed from his asteroid on a journey through the universe, uh, in which he discovered the standard way in which adults see life and understand the value of the and friendship. In The Lord of the Rings, toys destroy the One Ring and the conquers the what that the enemy will cause to recover its signs is the main source of power in the creation. The Dark Lord Sauron. Thank you.